What a bomb trade we took this morning. Telling you, it's such a bomb trade. So I want to go over the trade too. So by the time I got to the market, I saw a demand, right? We didn't take this demand because at this time it's 3 in the morning. I looked at AU, it was like 6:30, right? Watch this. So it already made a push up off of demand. Let's speed this up. I saw all of this. So I think, when did we take the setup? Yeah, we were right here. We were something right here. If you think about this, this is like we got like a W formation off of the demand. So it already broke the high. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, it broke the high. I'm not quite sure if it was this one we got in at. I'm not sure. I'm thinking we got in right here. Let me check. I'm over here. Yeah, something like that. That was the demand. Hey, you demand low risk news, right? Let's see news. So we got in, stopped to like that. It was something to that extent. So it was like a one to 2.5, whatever the case is. So comes down a little bit to start pushing. Actually, guys, and we were out of that trade. It actually came. If we would have came down, it tapped that zone again right there. And you could have got another entry off this. This was a beautiful 1 to 2. And with this trade, guys, I passed another prop firm account. See that? Curtis Hills, you successfully completed evaluation phases 1 and 2. So you definitely can pass prop firms. Taking M5 setups. Look at that. Pop right through there. Beautiful setup. Based off the premises of an already demand tap. So we could have got in if we were up at 3 in the morning. We could have got in right here. Stop below that and then target to that high. That would have been a 5.7 R. That would have been beautiful. But I just needed one more trade to pass the challenge, and this was it. Beautiful. So we passed that one. Tomorrow is CPI. So for CPI, I don't know. We're just gonna have to trade after the news. However, we look at the DXY. Like I said once before, coming down to back to the weekly analysis, we had a supply that it tapped into. So I'm expecting the dollar to be bearish and continue pushing down. That's what I'm expecting. So okay. So CPI for tomorrow. Like look at AU. If you don't see clear that that's a demand right there on AU. And it's funny, one of my accounts I have a swing trade in AU. Real um small position at the break of this candle on the weekly. Below that's on. I'm expecting it to push back up. Because what do you see here? What do you see here? I want to show you what I see. You got that creep down low joint. We used to take these all the time. From down, then price start doing this. Soon as it breaks, soon as this breaks this, you're gonna get another one, and then it's gonna come up and come back up to that high. That's pretty much what I'm seeing with AU. I see the dollar weakening on DXY, AU pushing back up. Once it breaks this Hi. I'm gonna call this set up to you. Because I didn't call it out in the group. So as soon as it pushes up, come back down, maybe tap a zone, then to the heavens. And Art New Zealand's doing the same thing. But just wanted to show y'all that beautiful trade on AU. Made some good money off of it. I'm excited about it. And yeah, hopefully the you guys are catching y'all some green skies or blue skies. That's what I call them. Actually, it's almost 11. Let's see if we can find a trade setup. UJ's looking this way. It's CPI tomorrow. Everything just looks. I took this on on one of my accounts already. What is this? So I don't see anything tonight. I'm over here looking at trades. I don't even look at. I tend to stay on this side. It's not really showing anything. Lower time frame. This looks too. Ain't much going on. I mean, USD CAD. Technically, USD CAD is at a demand. I don't trade USD CAD. See, it already broke the candle. I'll put a small position in. What? What? I don't trade USD CAD. I trade on one of my accounts. USD CAD. Let's get in the USD CAD. I'm in. USD CAD stops. Very small risk on my smaller account. Let's see what happens. Hopefully you can see. So I got in on the account. It's hard for you to see. See what happens. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see y'all New York session. Peace.